What's up guys, and welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. I'm your host today, Jake, and we're going to explore 3 awesome projects you can potentially buy in April 2022. Just want to say massive thanks to all the subscribers on this channel. You're helping the channel grow slowly but surely. We're almost at 2k subscribers right now. And if you're new here as well, just say hello in the Discord channel. It's literally free for anyone to join right now, and almost 200 people there. So come say hi. We look forward to seeing you there. So what I want to start with really, just before we do jump into the coins, is just look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin's value, because I think this really does show some key strength of the market overall without the big dog in there, without that one big blue chip in there. And you can see, I've drawn out a bit of a chart here where we've got the lower trend line and the upper trend line, and each green phase so far has indicated a very, very good time to potentially reaccumulate your crypto. And anywhere in this sort of red zone is actually also a good time to start taking some profits on those altcoins or even on the major Bitcoin. And I think that's quite important to say, because what we can see is really, I don't want this to move too much, we can speculate now that we might be on the way to a 1.6, maybe even a $2 trillion market cap without Bitcoin's involvement. And I think that's very important to say because if we can do this, the entire market cap is going to be almost 3.5, maybe even $4 trillion, and that would be a pragmatic target right there. So we can see this, we're coming back through the bull market support band on the daily time frame here. And if we look at the cycle from 2017, look how different they are. This was a big descending triangle. This one here has been more of an ascending channel, more of a consolidation, where we're playing with these big ranges where the whales are just having a bit of fun. So what's happened at the moment, crypto is looking absolutely popping. Everything is green, it's beautiful. You can see here some of our big projects are up. Brazil, we've got VeChain, we've got Pancake back up 25% over this last week, and everything is looking amazing. This is all market cap, so ZIL has doubled in market cap over the last few days. Great, lots of layer 1 infrastructures here, layer 2 infrastructures. We've got our lending protocol Aave looking excellent as well. And another thing I wanted to highlight is the alt season index. So we're still in this Bitcoin season, yet we're seeing a lot of this alt action. So this is quite exciting. Maybe it's still a good time to potentially load up on those altcoins, which is why we're looking at altcoins today. The best 3 altcoins you can buy in April 2022. So this is a good loading phase before the big giant pump, which could potentially happen any week now, any month now, maybe in May, maybe in June, maybe even April. But I think April could still be a big Bitcoin season. So let's get on with it and start with coin number 1 here. In no particular order, guys, it's just me putting the coins out there. It doesn't mean I like this one more than this one or this one, but these are 3 coins that will probably do really, really well in April. So let's hop on and have a look. So the first one is going to be Aave Liquidity Protocol, where you can borrow, you can earn, you can also lend at the exchange of interest. So it basically takes out the middleman, aka the traditional banker. You can literally buy property or commodities or assets with this, so you wouldn't need to go through a mortgage advisor, etc. You can take out these people that tend to serve this purpose in society. They're now sort of nullified by what Aave has to offer. Really, really big governance token, massive market cap. Mark Cuban is super bullish on this particular one. We can see $21.6 billion. Liquidity is locked in across 7 networks over 13 markets right there. That's bullish. You've also got lots of staking liquidity pair options. You can stake, you can farm, you can borrow as well. You can borrow assets. It's amazing. It's super versatile, and this is just growing more and more. The reason I'm so bullish is because Aave recently deployed on the Harmony, the Avalanche, the Phantom, and Mainnet, and what's going to recently or soon happen, shall I say, for V3, because the deployment is going to help with speed, loading times, scalability, throughput. Aave says it plans to focus on cross-chain deployments, which may be why it's delaying the launch on Ethereum. So that means they are still planning to launch on Ethereum mainnet, and when that does happen, it's going to explode, guys. Think how big Ethereum is compared to all of the other alts out there. And you can see here a little quote: in a multi-chain and multi-rollup world, allowing liquidity to flow seamlessly across different chains is increasingly important. So they've got a mission, they've got a vision for 2022 and onwards. It's a project that is going to stick around, and I think, looking at the price action, $180, rank 56, guys, $2.4 billion market cap. If we just look at the market cap retrospectively, we're down from a whopping 8 billion. So we're in this undervaluation phase where we can still, you know, accumulate with a very low downside risk. Very, very important. Not financial advice, of course. What I'm seeing here for Aave, just a bit of technical analysis on the trading side of things. We can see we had this falling wedge. We jumped out, and these two yellow upper trend lines are quite important. So when we zoom in here, we can see broke out this bull pennant. We broke through the resistance at $173, now flipped in to support, and we're making our way up to hopefully $192. Now it could kind of happen where we just basically retest here at 174 and then make our way up to 192. If we keep the uptrend, I'm very, very bullish on Aave. So this is a key area, this yellow line, which does meet at $194. And then if we break this yellow area, well, we do have more resistance lines. We have a lot of resistance around here, and also higher on, but I think the next level would be about $244 would be the next pragmatic target right here. So $244 guys for Aave in the short term, and that's when we're going to break out the macro downtrend. As you can see, it's gonna happen at some point. Just watch, come back to this video in 3 months, look at the price of Aave, and you will be above $244 without a doubt, if you believe the bull market is here to survive. So that's project number 1, guys, right there. Second one is going to be awesome altcoin project Lucky Block, number 1 crypto game platform where everyone's a winner, a real blockchain protocol solution to modern gambling. So they're featured in many big news articles. One of the fastest cryptos to hit $1 billion in market cap, and we can see here that they have full transparency, a full transparent team. When we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that right here. This is everyone that is involved behind the scenes, and fully transparent, a full tangible company, London based as well, and they have offices in other areas of the company. And we can see they've got a beautiful little roadmap here, which so far so good. They've completed all of it. A bit of great news that they've recently had as well is that Lucky Block has just launched their Google Play as crypto games platform. So they're working on their SEO, their mobilization. They're getting more and more exposure, more people operating, more holders as well. And they also have 10,000 really cool, unique NFTs that you can look at. Personally, I like to buy my Lucky Block basically on PancakeSwap. You just copy the address from CoinMarketCap or their website, head over to the exchange, go onto your MetaMask wallet or whichever wallet you're using, have your currency you want to swap in, go here, paste that address, and straight away you're ready to buy your Lucky Block. Make sure you have a 0.5% slippage so you're not losing too much of your own money through the transaction itself. So Lucky Block is super bullish, and I think, you know, looking at the market cap, because we're down, and I'm bullish when things are down, not up. Down, not up, guys. That's always important. And you can see here, literally just in February 2022, we had a price of 0.008. We're down now to about 0.003, which does again show, have we hit a floor price here? Lucky Block is one that's going to stay, and also it's good to diversify with these smaller caps because it's going to give you that opportunity and chance for explosion that maybe the higher caps do not provide. So always bear that in mind. Diversification is key. It's not abnormal to have a portfolio of 10 to 20 projects that you believe in, because you could have 15 doing good, 5 doing bad, but then you're still up in the long run anyway. So that would be the way that I look at. Coin number 3 coming up, guys, is going to be HBAR or Hedera. And Hedera is smart contracts 2.0 done smarter, 10 times faster than blockchain alternatives. Super efficient on their green side of things. And we can see why to be bullish. Well, the 3rd generation public ledger, we can just look right here. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, maybe my head is in the way, but basically transactions per second, Hedera, well, 10,000 plus. The cost per fee, you could do 10,000 fees and you're not even going to feel it. A coffee from, you know, the local coffee shop is going to cost you more. Transaction confirmation time, 3 to 5 seconds. I mean, really, that's super quick. You can't even go to the toilet in that time. Energy use per transaction, minuscule, absolutely minuscule. So really big reasons to be bullish on HBAR, Hedera right here. And I think that's very good to look at this statistics and compare with some of the other big dogs out there. And this is the roadmap as well. So Q2 roadmap 2022. So far they've done all of this and it's all happened. They've had a plan and they've actually, you know, executed. Smart contracts, a complete and compact library for interacting with the EVM and its ecosystem in Hedera. They've got hips and features. They've got approval and allowance API for Hedera. smart contract renewal, ERC-like tokens. The list goes on, guys. So big development coming for Hedera as well. Rank 36, $0.24 at the moment, $4.8 billion market cap. Let's zoom out and check our market cap historically. Well, you can see it's still in a big uptrend on the macro side of things. We've come from a $6.9 billion market cap, and we found a bottom really around that 4.5 billion area. If we check here as well, again, there's that bottom which has been reiterated. We can say for sure we've got lots and lots of support at this particular 0.18 cents level, and we broke out this symmetrical triangle really, which is great to see, and we've basically written a lot of support around that 0.24 cents level. For our time frame, again, we come down, we retest the 20-day moving average, which usually does show us where the coin is going. In a downtrend, usually retest this as resistance. In an uptrend, you would test it as support before seeing continuation, as you see time and time again. And if we can see continuation to the upside, that's when we'll probably be working our way up to around this $0.26 price level. If we can hold here, trade sideways a bit, and I think that's what's going to happen. So Hedera as well, very, very bullish. Why am I bullish? Because this is a big neckline at 0.26, and once we break through there, well, you're looking at some big price targets like $0.34 and even more. I mean, zoom out, it's a $4.5 billion project. This is on the weekly time frame, but we're going to go to the daily time frame quickly. I mean, you could really speculate that with the Fibonacci extensions, it's not impossible to come to about $0.67 in 2022 if, you know, Bitcoin goes for the sky and we get this great alt season that we're potentially hoping for. But even by 2025, I think it's very, very important. And one great thing about this project is that with Hedera, it's a centralized solution. So it's not a DAO, it's not a governance token in any sense. So it's not effectively fully decentralized. If you look at who is actually behind the project, Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations, and every 6 years this has to be renewed. So it kind of keeps things fresh. It keeps Hedera in the forefront of people's minds, and ideas are always being generated behind the scenes. So guys, that's probably my favorite 3 coins for April 2022. Of course, I have many other favorites out there, but these are some that I'm buying at the moment, and I am dollar cost averaging my way in because I believe that they're going to be really, really big. If you're new here, make sure you smash the subscribe. Come say hello in the Discord. Got lots of people for you to say hello to. And yeah, consider becoming a patron. Massive thanks to you guys. You've helped the channel grow. You're going to get one-on-one messaging, a free ebook, which will help your crypto journey. You're also going to get premium Discord access and more chance to win on the giveaways. So if you like the sound of that, join. It's just the price of a coffee. And hopefully see you in another video soon, guys. Smash subscribe, like, comment. See you guys. Stay crypto safe. Bye now.